So I've been talking about Digistore24 affiliate marketing for quite a while. And one of the questions I keep getting is, okay, how can I choose profitable Digistore24 products that would actually sell? And I dedicated this video today on how not just can you pick Digistore24 products that sell, but how you can pick high ticket Digistore24 products that actually sell. Now, what are high ticket Digistore24 products? Now, there are some products that will pay you $10 per sale, and there are some products that will pay you $200 or more per sale. The ones that pay you way higher in commission for one sale are called high ticket products. Now, the first thing you want to look at obviously is the price and commission. What you want to do is when you're in your Digistore24 page, you want to go ahead and filter per earnings per sales. And when you filter by earnings per sales, you can see the earnings here. So these are like the net earnings per sale that, of course, you're going to get when you promote the product. So that way you earn more by selling less. The next thing you want to do is you want to as well still filter by the niche. I always suggest that don't go about promoting products that you have completely zero knowledge, zero idea, zero experience in, because you would not exactly be able to position that product naturally to bring in sales. For example, I may not personally promote quantum computing system because I have no knowledge on that. What you want to do is you want to filter down. Now, on the left-hand side of Digistore24, you have like the product categories where you have like digital products, events or seminars, services, shipping products. I, for one, will always advise that you promote digital products because it's actually much more easier and straightforward. But if you want to still promote like services, shipping products, it's totally dependent on you. So for the digital product, if we click on the drop down, you can as well see different niches under the digital product. There are animals and pets, betting system, business, computer, and all of that. So if I should go under something of social media, so you can see 2Magic AI tool for growing on YouTube. This is something that I can decide to promote. Why? Because for one, I am growing on YouTube. I am a YouTuber, so I have knowledge on YouTube. Now, this is actually like a software, and you can see the net earnings per sale is over $200. But now, that is not just the only determining factor, because even a high-paying product would not sell if the page looks unprofessional or confusing. So the next step is to check the sales page, and we can do that by simply heading over to the sales page here. So from the sales page, it helps to create viral YouTube scripts in seconds. The sales page is good. You can see their testimonials here, which is what we want. You can actually see what it does from the very first look or overview at it. You want to ask yourself, would I buy this myself? So if you are a YouTuber, would you consider using this product? Does it really explain the benefits? So the better the page, the easier it is to promote. The third step is you want to look for products with reviews. For example, if you look here, you can see beneath it, there are reviews, there are testimonials, which helps to actually give the product some kind of reputation and, of course, builds trust with your audience. Another thing you want to look out for is the affiliate support page. Now, on the affiliate support page, you want to open it. For me, I will not really consider this a really key thing, but in the affiliate page, some products come with ready-to-use marketing materials, emails, banners, or funnels, and they make it much easier for beginners to start promoting without having to figure everything out by yourself. So you can see here, it does have brand assets, which is good. Another thing you should be looking at is the cart conversion rate, which is super important to check or roll out a product. Now, a cart conversion rate is the rate at which people actually buy the product when they eventually land on the sales page. Now, you can see the cart conversion rate here is 1%, which is kind of poor, which means that out of every 100 persons, just one person actually, subscribes to the tool. So you may want to look for something that has kind of like a high cart conversion rate. So you may want to keep searching. For example, you can see this has like 18% cart conversion rate, which is really good. But then again, the net earnings is small. So this is how you want to keep filtering your product until you find the right product. Something of 10% and above is actually okay, because that would mean that people that you are sending to the sales page, you actually have a higher chance of converting them on that sales page. Now, once you've picked your product, that is just the first step. The next thing is you want to know how to sell it. So I'm going to show you how you can make your first high ticket sale with Digistore24 affiliate products. And you want to click the video you see on your screen right now to check how to do that. Ciao.